Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to drive on Spanish Town Road. We are actually by the 3 miles overpass and we're on Hagley Park Road now and we're going to turn on to Spanish Town Road. Now you see how nice Hagley Park Road looks. Look at the nice double overpass above us, and then we're going to turn on to Spanish Town Road. And we have to ask the question, why haven't they fixed Spanish Town Road yet? It's a major thoroughfare between Mandela Highway, the busiest road in Jamaica, and Hagley Park Road. Or it's a major thoroughfare from Mandela Highway, the major route into and out of Kingston, to the busiest place in Kingston, which is Halfway Tree. So you take Spanish Town Road to Hagley Park Road, go up to Halfway Tree. And it's also the main road that takes you from Mandela Highway to downtown Kingston, the second busiest place in Jamaica. So look at the road. We're actually driving from Hagley Park Road towards Mandela Highway in that direction. Look at the state of the road. Now, we're asking the question, why haven't they fixed this road yet? They are spending billions upon billions upon billions of dollars to fix roads. Now you tell me how Arthur Wint Drive and South Camp Road could be fixed before this road. Now look to your left and the right and you will see so many factories, manufacturing facilities, factories. And this road has been neglected. To make matters worse, they dug up the road recently to lay water pipes. And this is the state of the road. So I can't imagine how other roads can be fixed over or fixed before this road. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Now they're even fixing Lady Musgrave Road and East King's House Road before they announce any major plans for Spanish Town Road. The CapEx program is going to be fixing 6 main roads between Kingston and Spanish Town. Arthur Wint Drive, they're spending billions to fix. Arthur Wint Drive, South Camp Road, Lady Musgrave Road, East King's House Road, all slated to start earlier or later this year. And a road as important as Spanish Town Road is in this state. Now, I'm not saying they shouldn't fix those other roads. I'm just saying this road should have been given priority to be repaired over those roads. So guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.